Good morning! I'm making myself an omelette for breakfast. There's tomatoes, onions, cheese, and chicken in it. Eating my yummy omelette. And got my orange juice in my best Lego movie cup. Pretty sure this cup came from McDonald's. Yep! Why is it that anytime I'm at this table, there's a cat head that appears?
It's not just you. Anytime we're at the table, cat head has started to appear. Wait, I don't know if you...
Go ahead.
I don't know if you noticed, but the Roomba last night, it was on its dock when I went to bed. Meaning a cat was jumping on it.
Did you start the Roomba?
I think she did. Legitimately.
Hi, unicorn.
Hi. I like to make the girls laugh when they see me.
Very good,
I
unicorn.
think it lights up.
I want to make bulgogi tonight, so I'm at the Asian market to pick up some supplies. And I'm gonna try to make the bulgogi from scratch, but in case I mess up, here is my backup plan. Bulgogi marinade. I remember that growing up. That. What else? Those. Shrimp chips. I remember that growing up. Then tub of soy sauce. I'm running low on kimchi, so I'm gonna do some of that. I can smell it from outside the refrigerator. Holy cow, you can get kimchi by the gallon? Even I don't eat that much kimchi. Now we're at the grocery store to get everything else. For the bulgogi, I'm going to use a sandwich steak.
Mommy, look, it smells.
That one's juice, but I can see why you think it's milk.
It smells. What is juice?
Good thing my hubby's outside to help me unload the car because
What is juice?
I forgot reusable bags
bags?
again.
Three. Labels.
It's time to work out while the girls run around outside. Or rather, roll down the yard outside. And the hubby punches the bag. That is the best sign ever. So it's time to make the bulgogi. Now I am using a bulgogi recipe that I found online, so I will put the link in the description below. I'm taking the thinly sliced beef that I bought, cutting it up into smaller strips, and 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Chop up green onions, or as I was raised with, scallions. And chop up some garlic. This smells so good. And then pop it in the fridge so it can marinate. The longer it stays in the fridge, the better. So while that is marinating, I'm going to prepare the rest of the stuff. Now when you're making bulgogi, you have to have sticky rice. In a true Asian fashion, I have a rice cooker. Wash the rice, fill it with water, stick it in the cooker. Set it to cook, and in 10 minutes we'll have a sticky rice. Are you setting the table, darling?
Yes.
Thank you very much, sweetheart.
Izzy clearly did not help clean up her blocks.
Oh, okay.
I'm not very impressed. And she can help herself.
Yes, she can. Hi, Jazzy.
Meow, you've been sleeping here this whole time.
Of course she has. Now you can cook the bulgogi on a stovetop, but in the fun Korean barbecue way, you cook it right at the table. Luckily, I have an electric skillet. Actually, Harmony's bulgogi is probably much better.
Yeah, that's why I like it more.
Yeah. Yeah, I rarely make this.
So judge after you try.
And the romaine lettuce is all ready. I also have gochujang and kimchi
What else one?
and gib. Oh, and I have, who's that pony?
Tsunami.
Or like sparkle or something?
Rainbow Dash.
Okay, and a fox.
Rainbow.
Thank you, Daddy, for making gimbap.
Making my big pot. Yay. Make mine gimbap. Took too much rice.
That's fine. Okay, I have the lettuce, rice, bulgogi, and gochujang all wrapped up. You actually took gochujang?
A little bit, yeah. For the record, gochujang is not too spicy for me. I just have to be in the mood.
Sure.
You are in no way talking about how many are you?
Not in the least.
And your thoughts on kimchi?
The spice is nice. I'm an annoying texture eater, so I don't know. It's not for me. But it's not too hot. That's not the reason.
I don't know how to judge it against Harmony's.
That's fine.
They're both good.
Thank you, darling. What you got in the soju glass, Daddy?
I don't know. Something new. Never heard of it before. It was called whiskey? Tastes yummy. It's warm.
It's just yummy. But it's so yummy. It's so good.
Yes, it is.
You guys want some leftover rice? Oh, Jazzy too.